Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today we're making something kind of seasonal, I guess you'd say. I mean, you can have this any time of the year, I guess, if you really want to. We are making holiday smash burger sliders. Now, who don't love a good slider? I love a good slider with some bacon and some cheese and, you know, all that good stuff on there. But we're going to put some cranberry sauce on there and give it kind of a holiday twist to it. Now, I've eaten burgers, turkey burgers, and a turducken burger actually with cranberry sauce, and I loved it. I loved it. So I said, well, why can't we do this on a slider with some regular round chuck or something? So guess what? Did it. I loved it. Had to share it. So this is what we're bringing to you today: a holiday. I'm just going to call them holiday smash burger sliders, even though they're going to have bacon and cheese and all the good stuff. So that's what we're going to bring to you today. But before we get doing all that, please like, subscribe, comment, get all that done. Make sure you check all the links down below. We've got a Facebook, a Pinterest, an Instagram, a Twitter, P.O. box. We got an email. We got all kind of things down there. Check it all out. Even got a Blackstone recipe playlist. So if you're not really into this and you're looking for maybe a different type of recipe that we've done, check that playlist. It'll be in there, I promise you. If there isn't something in there and if you want to see us do something different, let us know in the comments down below and we'll see if we can't get that done for you. So with all that being said, let's get these things to cooking. Well, before we do any kind of cooking, we got to fire up the griddle. So let's get it going. We're going to turn it on high. Oh yeah, I love that sound, y'all. We're going to go 3 burners on high here. And we're going to leave this side off. Get this griddle top good and hot, and we're going to sear these burgers. Now, we got to go over the ingredients of what we're going to do. Of course, what we did here is we have, they're about the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit bigger. Normally I make my smash burgers a 4-ounce patty. Today, I didn't weigh them. They might be 2 to maybe a 3-ounce. Anyhow, about a little over a golf ball size, maybe. I mean, make your sliders as big as you want them. That's just what we're going to go with. The cheeses, we have a pepper jack and a Colby Monterey Jack. We have some thick sliced bacon here. We're going to go up. We have some toppings, some lettuce, onion, tomato, however you want to do yours. And of course, we have some slider buns back here. We have some butter, toast them up with. We're going to season everything with this awesome whiskey burger seasoning. And there's some cranberry sauce we're going to top them all off with. So in a nutshell, these are really, really simple, but they are so good. Okay, this griddle top is getting pretty hot now. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave these 2 burners on this side to the far left. I guess the middle burner and the left burner. We're going to leave them on high. I'm going to turn this other burner down to low, and we're going to throw the bacon on that side. Just kind of slowly cook that bacon. Sear these burgers. So let's go ahead and turn that down to low. Let's get our bacon on here. Now, whenever cooking bacon on the Blackstone or any other griddle, always use tongs to flip them and stuff. Makes it a lot easier. Let's see if this bacon's ready to flip. Oh yeah. Now, me personally, some people flip bacon one time. I can't do that. I'm not a one flipper. Alright, so we're going to get these smash burgers going. Put down just a little bit of oil over here. If you notice, I'm using a big spatula. You got to use a good spatula with a good beveled edge. Get up under that burger. Get these on here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to press it down for roughly 10 seconds. Oh, look at that. And there you go. Smash burger. Now we got to season. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this whiskey burger season. Go ahead and season them all up. I think I'm gonna hit that bacon a little bit too. Can't never hurt. All right, I'm gonna give this bacon another flip real quick. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. Move you over. You starting to cook a little more faster. All right, y'all. These burgers here are ready to flip. The thing about this is you want to get up under it like that. Oh yeah, get that char on there. Oh yeah, look at that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn this side down now to low. And get some cheese on here. I'm gonna throw some pepper jack on that one. Probably pepper jack on that one. Them are gonna be mine there. The rest of them, we're gonna put Kobe Monterey on. Yeah, buddy. We're gonna cover that burger up. Check our bacon here, flip it a little bit more. Get all good and crispy, crunchy. Gonna be some good eating here in a minute. Now these burgers are pretty much done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them up, move them over here to the cooler side of the grill. They'll still stay warm over here, but they won't really cook no more. So get them moved over here. Oh man. This is gonna be good, y'all. Now, you can do however you want, but I'm gonna saute just a few onions, throw up on there. You know, it won't take long to get them done. I'm gonna leave some of them raw, but we're gonna just kind of put a few on here, just lightly cook them. Can't never tell. Somebody might want some sauteed onions on there. I think I'm gonna throw a few more. Give our onions a stir. Get our bacon over here. Move these onions over in that bacon grease just a little bit. Can't never hurt to cook the onions in the bacon grease. Now, the thing about these sliders is you can do them you can go ahead and build them. You know, like put the burger, the bacon, the tomato, whatever else you want on there. Or just kind of set everything out and let people build their own. These onions are starting to soften up good and nice now. All right, this bacon's done, so we're gonna move it on over. Move on over here. You stay warm right over there. Now, I have all three burners here on low now. So what I'm gonna do is move these onions over just a little bit over here in this bacon grease. They're kind of pretty much done like I want them. Maybe cook a few more minutes. It ain't gonna hurt them none. They're good and soft now, so. All right, we got the bacon moved over. These onions are done now. I said I didn't really want to caramelize them. Just kind of get a good char on me. Look at there. That's some onions I love right there, boy. Them things are good on hot dogs, sausage dogs, by themselves. So, we got to toast our buns. All right, y'all, we got to get these buns on here. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw down some butter. This griddle here is still real hot, as you can see. Get our buns on here. Ain't nothing like some good toasted buns. All right, we're going to get a light toast on those, and we're going to start building. Okay, y'all, I don't really want a heavy toast on these buns. As you can see, just a little light, get a little crunch to them on the inside. So we're ready to build. So let's get the buns out of the way. Let's turn the burners off. Let's build us some sliders, some holiday sliders. All right, we're gonna get our cutting board here out. Place some bottoms on here. Let's do 4 right now. What y'all think? 4 would be good, right? Let's do I say what? Pepper Jacks and Monterey Colby Jack. How's that? Okay, from here, do it like you want. Me personally, some bacon is in order. Yes, sir. There we go. Let's see. I think I want some sauteed onions on here. On one of them, anyhow. Some lettuce. I think I put lettuce on that one. No onions on that one. Yes, sir, buddy. Let's see. Let's put bacon on that one too. Let's do a couple rings over here. Some raw onion on this one. How's that? We're just gonna make a variety. All right, from here, let's see. Let's put some lettuce on that one. A little bit of lettuce, maybe a little more. Make it all nice and pretty like. Lettuce here. Uh-oh, my onion falling off. That's okay. You go, bro. Some lettuce here. Now, let's make it Christmassy. Just a little bit of cranberry sauce on there. Like that. Yeah, buddy. Now I'm using the whole berry cranberry sauce. This really changes the whole flavor profile of it, and it makes it so good. That one there ain't wanting to cooperate, but that's all right. We're gonna make it cooperate. Look at that. We'll get some buns and we'll top them off. And there you go. Holiday sliders. Perfect for any get-togethers. Perfect for whatever you want to do. Let's take a close look at these things. There you go. Holiday sliders. How about you? Them things look good. Yeah, buddy. Now, I don't know which one you want to try, but I got to try to figure out myself which one I'm going to try. Okay, y'all, it's that simple. There you go, holiday sliders. Now, you know, you can leave the cranberry sauce off and make a classic slider if you want to, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But for the Christmas time, your little get-togethers or whatever you may have, add cranberry sauce. I promise you, you'll love it. Because I'm not a fan of cranberry sauce itself, but when you add it to something else, it just kind of elevates the flavor. It really does a great job of that. So I got to try these out. I think I'm going to try this pepper jack one with the sauteed onions. I think that's what I'm going to go for first. So y'all take a look at that. That's a pretty little slider, ain't it? Let's try it out. That. I got another bite. That is so good. You got them onions in there, that bacon, and them sauteed onions. No, that whiskey burger seasoning. But you get the little sweetness out of that cranberry sauce. That is so good. So make these, and I promise you, they'll get gone quick. So whatever you're doing this holiday season, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you want to say, make these, and it will definitely be a happy holiday. I promise you. So, if you enjoyed the video, please share it out. Let everybody know about it. Hey, we're here. Let them know. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Check out our links down below. We have a lot of stuff in our playlist for Blackstone and other things. So get all that checked out. I got to finish these. We'll see you next time.